I look like I'm just doing what I want right now. Like who I'm with is what I want right now. That shit just might be true enough right now. Maybe I just can't open up, I don't trust anyone. I don't know what they want. That's why chances I got shades on, we talk. No I love those mornings when the sun's up, smoking in the lobby, yeah.
So I'm quitting. Guys, today I have something to tell you. So look, let me just be upfront with you, tell you guys where I'm at. I am quitting social media. That's the main thing, or the main trigger for all of this. And I've been thinking about this for probably around half a year at this point. So let me just come out and say it. I'm quitting social media. I'm quitting the education company. I'm not like around, and this is honestly my mistake, around 3 hours, or maybe by the time you're watching this, probably around 6 hours prior to uploading this video, I actually changed my Instagram bio to retired, basically delete all my posts, and I think that freaked out a lot of people. So if you kind of got freaked out, because obviously I didn't give an explanation, I apologize. Yeah, I just had a really busy day of work, and then I did it not thinking that like I should probably have a good explanation to come with it, and I wanted to take my time with this video. But yeah, here we are. Current situation is I'm not retiring, guys. You know I love my work. I'm not retiring. I'm not moving to Bahamas or anything like that. I just, for my own sanity and happiness, I just need to move away from social media. You know, I started documenting my journey from the age of 15. So for you, basically from 15 to 19, to pretty much have everyone know everything about you, is not ideal. You know, I can tell you honestly, the best thing in life is when you're rich and no one knows a thing about you. That's why I don't understand why all these people want to become like influencers and like YouTubers and gurus and all this fucking bullshit. And gonna get demonetized for that, but whatever. Actually, wait, I was like, they're gonna get demonetized for that, and I realized I don't even monetize my videos. But anyways, back to the point. You know, I can tell you right now that, and that's why I love my agency so much, is the fact that like, no one needs to know who I am. You know what I mean? No one needs to know who I am. They just need to know what clients we worked with, what sort of results we've gotten. And we get pretty much all of our clients these days through referrals or Facebook ads, which pretty much has nothing to do with my name. So just a little piece of advice, you know, just for me in the past 4 years, I can tell you the best thing is just be wealthy and not have anyone know who you are. Because when people know who you are, it's just annoying, to be honest. So yes, my mission is still to reform the education system. I'm 19 years old at the time of recording this. I've taken huge steps and leaps. It's just for the next 3-4 years. As I said, just for me personally, I'm stepping away from social media. This probably isn't a surprise to some of you guys, because hey, like, what's one of my favorite books? It's The Shallows, What the Internet is Doing to Our Brains. I read that first when I was 16, I believe, and I've read it reread it 6-7 times since. I hate social media. I don't enjoy it. I don't like, when has social media ever made you happier? As I said, that's why I don't understand all these people who want to become like YouTubers and like gurus and like that. It's just like, it doesn't make you happy. You know what I mean? What makes you happy is like building a business, and you know, and that's why, like, for me, like, the agency is like such a pure thing, you know. And the reason that this kind of thought has come up in the last 6 months is, you know, July, I just hit my first $100,000 profit month with the agency, and the agency is very steadily just staying at like 70 to 100,000 a month profit. Guys, I live well, but I don't spend $70,000 to $100,000 a month. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't need like the education company money. Like, I just don't need that. And if that means that, as I said, I can just step away from social media for a couple years and maybe come back to it, you know, because there's parts of it that I do enjoy. And as I said, you know, me stepping away from social media kind of means that I'm stepping away from the education company. Now, there is, at the time of recording this, there's a party coming up in 4 days that's still going ahead. We've still got this party, the Grow Your Agency party, just to commemorate some of the students who have hit 6 figures, just to commemorate some of the charity work that we've done. If you are a student and part of the Grow Your Agency community, don't worry, everything continues as normal. I'm just not accepting any new customers. By the time you watch this, you can go look. 6 Figure Estimate isn't available for enrollment anymore. And yeah, you know, obviously I've got my team. We'll still fulfill on our promises. But I'm just, you know, as I said, I just want a few years to just kind of focus on my agency, be out of the limelight. And that's kind of just it. So, yeah, I hope that you guys aren't upset. Because obviously, you know, I got a lot of love for you guys, and I think you guys got a lot of love for me. But as I said, you know, I just kind of need to do this right now, and I hope you guys respect that. Yeah, I hope you guys respect that. That's kind of all I can say. So I don't want to make this video too long. It's been amazing. I hope you enjoyed that little funny edity thing at the beginning. Kieran and I were talking about like, hey, what way can I kind of go out in style? And we just thought it'd be funny to like kind of like have a funeral for 6 Figure SMA and have a funeral for like, you know, my education company. And in terms of clothing line, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing with, but the education company is shutting down. My social media is shutting down. As I said, I've deleted all my posts on Instagram. I think for now I'm going to keep my stuff on YouTube because, you know, people can still find some value from it, et cetera, et cetera. But everything's getting deleted off my phone. As I said, I just need probably a couple years. Maybe it might be shorter. And to be honest, I think this is a good thing. Like, I genuinely do think this is a good I mean, I know for me it's a good thing, but I think it's a good thing for you guys as well. As I said, you know, for the next like couple years. And I mean, already like my agency is just month on month compounds. And it's just, I don't know anyone on earth who runs such a lean, efficient agency, and an agency that makes as much profit and gets such good results for their clients. And that was me with only 10% of my focus on the agency. I can't imagine what it's gonna be like now that I have, you know, near enough 100%. So yeah, that means that when I come back to you guys, I get to make even better content for the agency or for the education company. So yeah, I think it's a good thing in a way as well. So anyways, guys, I love you. Thank you for everything. This is kind of the end of the journey for now. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you.